Hello everyone, the Walabulu show is back after a 1.5, 2-year hiatus. And this is a great video because it's actually a collaboration video with, that's Sequoia. So, Sequoia, tell us a little bit about your channel.
My channel is very random. I do dance videos, I record K-pop concerts, and I also do my own video diaries.
Okay, cool. Well, what are we doing today?
I don't know. You tell me.
Okay, so I've decided we're going to have a different spin on this. So me and Sequoia have very different cuisine types, I guess. I mean, we all eat everything. But she knows how to cook Korean food a lot because of her past experience with Asian studies and just general interest. And then I'm trying to get back into cooking Indian food. So on this side of the table, we have all the Indian food. On that side, we got all the Korean stuff. So we're going to try and make a fusion dish today. Let's see how that all goes. Alright, so it actually took us kind of a long time to think of how we could blend the Korean and the Indian flavors because they are such different types of spice. In the end, I think we decided on making Pani Puri, which are like these little shells that you... Actually, let's open them up. I'll show you. Because I've had Pani Puri before many times. I don't think you've ever had Pani Puri before.
I've never had it.
So, Pani Puris are just these little shells, and you'll make a dent in them, put some potato inside, and then you'll dip it in a masala. We're going to try making the little masala juice out of some Korean flavors, like Kimchi or just something else, and we'll see how it tastes. So that's what we're making today. How are we going to actually do that? First, we're going to start with making the potato masala that will go inside the Pani Puri shell. So for that, we're going to need potatoes, carrots, I got chilies here, and yeah, I think that's really all you need to start off. Onions as well. So let's get started. Transition from the cutting board table to the actual stove area. Like I said before, I started boiling the potatoes and the carrots. I added a bay leaf to them. They've been boiling for about 8 minutes now. We kind of want them to boil for about 20 just so that they're good and mushy. As we wait, I'm going to start sauteing that onion I was telling you about. So I've added the oil to the pan. And now I'm going to start adding, I feel like every Indian dish starts by adding seeds to oil, so we're going to just add mustard seeds first. That seems like enough. Oh yeah, nice and crackly. Woo! And then I'm going to add some fennel seeds. Maybe the heat's too high. And then some cumin seeds. Woohoo! And now because I think this is already ready, let me just make sure every seed gets nice and oiled there. Oh yeah, they're jiggling. You can tell some stuff's happening. I'm going to add some minced garlic as well. I just use Great Value, so. Woo! I'm gonna add that onion. And here I just added some minced ginger, so I'm gonna add all this to the pan. Nice. Could stand for a little bit more browning in these ones, but you see how they're translucent?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's really where we want to be. I'm gonna get a fork and see if the potatoes are ready.
Okay.
Oh. They actually kind of are. My advice is just find the biggest potato you can and see if you can stab it and how easy. Oh yeah, that's nice and stabby. Zoom in on that. Woo. Alright, so that's ready. Wow, I'm surprised. That was actually perfect timing. It's almost like, I don't know, we're professionals.
Oh yes. No one saw that.
Did you drop a potato or something?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, thanks Sequoia for taking over there for a little while where I got the chili. As you can tell, the chili has added a little bit of color to the dish, but more so than just the color, it's added the spice element. Speaking of spices, I'm going to add a bunch more right now because Indian food really is the spices that tie it together. So, big thing you're going to need garam masala, of course, turmeric for the coloring, and it adds a little bit of bitterness. Cumin is another spicy dish, and I like to add paprika and red chili powder. It's pretty spicy, and then of course just black pepper and salt. So honestly, I don't really have guidelines for how you should do this. Just do what feels right. So I'm gonna add a generous helping of turmeric because I like my masala nice and yellow. This garam masala isn't open yet, so I'm gonna find an open one. And then just add a crap ton of this stuff. Woo, spice it up. And then paprika. Black pepper. And then salt to bring it all together. Okay, so it's been mixing for a little while now, and the consistency I think is where we need it to be. It's actually a little mushier than some of my aunts back in India make it, but that's fine. So I'm gonna take a little bit, just do a little taste test. Wow, that's like really good.
I like it.
Alright, so the potato masala is done. Just bringing it to our serving table and we'll eat later. Right now we still need to make the juice, which we'll dip the shell in. And like I said, for the fusion element, we're gonna try with kimchi.
Wow.
And in case that doesn't work out, I've got the Pani Puri masala just in case.
No, it will definitely work out.
We'll see, we'll see. Alright, let's get to it.
Yay!
I'm going to use this Pani Puri masala. I just bought it at an Indian grocer. I think it's as simple as just adding a little bit and then mixing it with water. I'm not sure if you have to boil it, but I'm not, so... Oh, actually this looks good. Alright, and then Sequoia is going to instruct you on how to do the kimchi water.
Yes, this is just country style kimchi that I got from H Mart. You can get it from like H Mart or Lotte. Even Trader Joe's has kimchi, but I don't trust Trader Joe's kimchi. Even though I've never had it, it's just something about it probably not tasting as authentic. So I recommend using scissors to cut it because sometimes, because it's like fermented cabbage, it can be really long. So cutting it into bite-sized pieces is highly recommended. How's it taste?
I didn't actually taste it, but it smells really good, so I guess there was no boiling needed. That's good.
There you go.
Nice and easy. So, Sequoia, while you do that, here's some water for you to add to make it juicy later on.
Thank you.
I'm also going to, as she's doing that, show you guys how to stuff the Pani Puri. So here's the shell that I broke earlier. I'm going to just take a little bit of the potato masala, scoop it in there, and then boom, it's a nice little package of food. Yep. Anyways, I'll do this while you do that, and
Teamwork.
we'll see how the fusion ends up working out. Alright, well, this was supposed to be a fusion, right? So let's try with the kimchi one first.
Okay, go.
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's actually not bad. I thought it would be a train wreck, but it's not.
I proved him wrong.
No. Proving me wrong is the fact that it's not a train wreck. It's kind of setting a low bar, but now let's try it with just the let's try it with just the Pani Puri masala.
I like this one.
I did make this a little watery, I realized.
I
I thought it was good
We
in the
can add
moment. But
more.
no. I think you just need to mix it more.
Okay.
But yeah, the first trial, this was spicier, so we like the spice.
The kick is what makes it work, I think.
Yep.
Okay. Let's try that one again. Now that you stirred it.
Yeah, let's try it one more time.
I still like this one.
Yeah. All right, so fusion food is the way of the future then. Ooh.
Woo!
It's not bad. What did you learn from this experience?
I learned. It's fun to do fusion food. So this is my first cooking video and my first collaboration. Actually, no. My second collaboration, but my first cooking collaboration. So it was really fun. What did you learn?
Cooking with friends is always a good time. And
where you're not bashing each other's cuisines.
yeah.
I mean, that's fun too, because I think you should have fun on your channel and when making videos.
Oh dear. This was really good though. I don't know how many stars I would give it. Probably 4 stars. Yeah, this is just like a quick, easy, like you'd never make a meal out of this, but this is if you have people over for a party, it's kind of a cool party trick. Not a lot of people have seen Pani Puri, so this was her first time seeing it. So if you just want to impress your friends with something different, try Pani Puri.
Yes, with kimchi fusion. Any last remarks?
Check out Sequoia's channel. Thanks for coming back to my channel. It's been way too long. I had a lot of stuff happen in the last year, like graduating college, moving across the country, and then back again. So yeah, it's been a busy couple of months, but hopefully this is like started a chain reaction of more videos to come. We'll see. I really don't know. No promises. All right, but a link to her channel is going to be in the description below. And
like, comment, and subscribe to his channel and to mine.
all right, that's all.